welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a swimsuit on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to get this top first. Actually, I like this one a little bit better, and you can color it any color you want. Just going to use this. Then you are going to grab this and you're going to color it the same as your skin tone, but we'll do that later. And we'll select the second toggle. Then we're also, I need to get it from the coat section. I forgot that you have to go here. Where's the one with the jacket? I'm just going to use the top only here. And I'm going to change the pattern to this one. Can I not do that? Oh, I can actually. Then what's the point of, I'm gonna just delete that. Never mind. And then I'm just going to use this dress. And then for the leggings, then you're going to color it the same as your skin tone. So I already saved mine here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Not super neat, but that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.